next, as the nation approaches its 250th anniversary, a piece of living history is rolling across the Heartland. Railroads played a crucial role when it came to moving commodities to market, and they remain a powerful symbol of America's agricultural expansion. Steve White takes us trackside as one of the largest steam locomotives ever built returns to the rails.
In rural Nebraska, people know what big machines can do. Trains opened the plains to commerce and travel, just as tractors changed how the land itself was worked. So when Union Pacific's Big Boy 4014 rolled through Nebraska, the crowd wasn't just here to see history, they were here to feel it. Howard Urich saw the train pass through Shelton. He farms a little, plays with antique machinery, and says the appeal is easy to understand.
That's right, I can hear that thing.
Nathaniel Klein farms near Shelton and Caro, watching with his dad.
That was a very good show.
They stood with hundreds of others as the locomotive thundered past.
I thought it was awesome. I love hearing the sound of it, and it was pretty cool.
Union Pacific Heritage Operations Manager Ed Dickens says steam locomotives still capture people because they engage every sense.
To see a steam locomotive in operation, feeling the heat off of it, the water, in this case, boiled at 300 psi is 425 degrees. And that has this sensation that the mechanism is alive, the locomotive is alive.
Unlike a modern diesel, Big Boy depends on constant work from its crew.
And all of the systems are controlled manually by human hands. So everything that locomotive does, there's human hands that are making all of that nuance come together at 7,000 horsepower.
Even operating the whistle takes strength.
The whistle requires a significant pull. The throttle, you're working against the throttle. They call it a balanced design. So you're actually pulling the throttle open, but the pressure is attempting to push it closed again. So all of that requires strength. You get lots of calluses. It's just a very tactile experience from a different era.
And maybe that's why this locomotive still resonates so deeply. In farm country, machinery is more than machinery. People here understand horsepower, steel, maintenance, and what it means to work a machine instead of simply pushing buttons, and understanding distances measured by hours and acres, not by miles.
There's something unique about the Midwest where people appreciate tractors and equipment, whether it's old aircraft but just the agricultural nature of what this part of the country does. There's a lot of people that really appreciate this big mechanism, this big boy locomotive.
Railroads helped build towns, move grain, and connect rural markets. In fact, Union Pacific reports it's moved a record volume of grain to start the year, very much still part of the infrastructure of agriculture. In an era dominated by screens and algorithms, people still gather beside the tracks to watch steel, fire, steam, and motion. Some, like Howard, came to remember.
I know you're into tractors. Are you also into trains?
Yep, I like them all. Yeah, anything that's old, I guess that's why I like me too.
Others to experience it for the first time. For many Nebraskans, Big Boy is more than a museum piece. It's a reminder of the machines that shaped the landscape and the people who still know what it means to work closely with steel, power, and the land. Reporting, I'm Steve White.